So, I had to grind down the edges a bit, so I make them round with the band grinder. Okay, the tool here is a band grinder with two tools on it. So one is I use a grid 40 band to easily grind it down, and I also use a polishing wheel to make this really smooth and soft afterwards. I have not found a better solution for that yet. You could use the templates that I can give you for download to give the form to a water cutter. So water cutters can cut this easily, also with an angle. It will not be too smooth then, but it will work. Or you do it like me, and you cut it, and if you have a band grinder, just round it. If you don't round it and you have hard edges here, it might be not so good for sparring. Okay, so you want to hit each other in the end, right? And this is why you should have round edges. Good. So I rounded it on both sides and polished it. So now it's very smooth. So when we have colored our leather, we need to round the edges, and you see I want to use this edge here, so short edge and long edge, and this is why what I grind down with a band grinder again. I also for the leather I also use a grid 40 band, and then I use a grid 80 band, so it's not too rough. So two different grids, and use a mask. So this is an FFP3 mask. So when you work with a band grinder, even if it has even if you can pull away the dust, use a mask, and otherwise you can ruin your lungs. Okay, so yeah, the next step after grinding. Oh well, maybe one thing still for grinding. So when you're grinding on the band grinder, move it slowly, and turn the angle forward. So, and this way it will become round. Then turn it around, and from the other side same thing. So move it slowly and then slowly upward, and this will make a nice round curve. Good. The next thing we do is we are drilling holes into the leather, and the tools we use for this is this kind of drill. It's a 1.5 millimeter drill, and I use a standing drill. You could also, if you don't have something like this, you could also use a hand drill. You might be intrigued to think, okay, I can use something like this, Ahle in German. I don't know what it's in English, and poke holes in there. I can tell you it doesn't work. Because we have here 10 millimeters of leather, and it's just not working good. So the holes will close again after you try to stitch it with this thing. So this is why I suggest drilling it, because it takes out the material, and then you can easily stitch it afterwards. Okay, and that's it what we do now.